What's the difference between used to and would? Hello my friends! Welcome back to my English Planet. I'm back with another video of the series What's the Difference in 2 Minutes. In each lesson, I try to clear up the differences between two different things in only 2 minutes. And today we want to talk about used to versus would. So before starting this lesson, let me tell you that I have another video about used to versus to be used to. I put the link of that here for you. Don't forget to check this video too, because it's only 2 minutes, but it's very helpful and useful. Yes. So if you're ready to take some notes and learn some new things, let's go. When we want to talk about the things in the past that are not true anymore, we can use both used to and would, like this sentence says. When I was a child, I used to play volleyball. Or when I was a child, I would play volleyball. Both of these sentences are correct. Also, you can say, for example, in summer, I used to walk a lot. In summer, I would walk a lot. Again, both of them are correct. But let's delete in summer, which is our time expression here. So, I used to walk a lot, I would walk a lot. Well, I used to walk a lot is okay, and it's clear that we're talking about a repeated action in the past that is not happening anymore. But when you say, I would walk a lot, here it doesn't make sense. It's not understandable enough that you're talking about a past action that is finished. So when you want to use would, you have to use a time expression before that, or use it in a context, because you have to show what exactly you're talking about. Okay, so don't use would without time expressions. Let's go to the second difference. After used to, you have to use the base form of the verb, like, I don't know, go, walk, eat, drink. Okay, and after used to, you can use both action verbs and stative verbs. Action verbs are the verbs that show some actions, like go, I don't know, jump, sit, drink, eat, okay? But stative verbs are the verbs that do not show something physically, like, I don't know, be, have, hate, like, guess, believe, think. These are stative verbs. And after used to, you can use both of these verbs. But after would, you only have to use action verbs. So I have to explain more, I'm sorry, but let's continue. After would, you can only use action verbs. Okay, look at these examples. When I was younger, I used to have short hair. Well, it's okay. Now I have long hair, so I used to have short hair. I cannot say when I was a child or when I was younger, I would have short hair. No, because having something, the verb have, is a stative verb, and you cannot use it after the word would. You can only use it after used to. Yes. So, unfortunately, today I couldn't finish my speech in 2 minutes, and I'm sorry about it, but I think this video is going to be helpful enough and you do not pay attention to these few seconds. So at the end of this video, I decided to put a quiz for you, a small quiz actually. We have 3 sentences and you have to fill in the blanks with would and used to. So please pause the video and try to answer these questions. Don't forget to comment your answers in the comment section down below and tell me whether you could answer the questions or not. Well, that's it, the end of my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And tell me whether this video was helpful or not. Love you all, and until next video, bye!